In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an autofill in Microsoft Word. If you often find yourself typing the same phrases, sentences, or even entire paragraphs again and again, this feature can dramatically improve your workflow. Microsoft Word includes built-in tools that allow text to appear automatically as you type, helping you work faster while keeping your documents consistent and professional. One of the easiest ways to create automatic text replacement is by using the autocorrect feature. This tool allows you to assign a short abbreviation that instantly expands into a longer phrase. To set this up, begin by typing the full phrase exactly as you want it to appear in your documents. Make sure the formatting, spacing, and capitalization are correct, since Word will copy it exactly as shown. Once the text is ready, highlight the entire selection. Next, click on the File tab, then choose Options. In the Word Options window, select Proofing and click on the Autocorrect Options button. A dialog box will appear with two main fields labeled Replace and With. You will notice that the highlighted text automatically appears in the With field. In the Replace field, enter a short, memorable shortcut that you will type in the future. After entering your shortcut, click Add and then click OK to confirm. From this point forward, whenever you type that shortcut followed by a space or punctuation mark, Microsoft Word will automatically replace it with the full phrase. This is especially useful for frequently used responses, company names, or standard disclaimers. If you want to store and reuse longer sections of formatted content, such as full paragraphs, signatures, or template text, you can use AutoText. Start by typing and formatting the content exactly the way you want it saved. Highlight the complete selection, then go to the Insert tab. Click Quick Parts, choose AutoText, and select Save Selection to AutoText Gallery. Assign a clear name to your entry and click OK. To insert the saved content later, return to the Insert tab, select Quick Parts, open AutoText, and choose your saved entry from the list. In some cases, you can also type the saved name directly into your document and press Enter when Word suggests it. Using these built-in features can significantly reduce repetitive typing, improve accuracy, and make document creation much more efficient. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.